Hello students, today we will learn 8th Maths chapter number 7 variation. I have divided the chapter in 3 parts. Let's start first part. Let's recall direct proportion. To understand these points, let's see one example. The number of notebooks that the students of a government school received is shown in the table below. In this example, if we take the ratio of number of children and number of notebooks, the ratio is 1 upon 6. In other words, the ratio 1:6 remains the same or constant. Here, as the number of children decreases, the number of notebooks also falls. So, this is an example of direct proportion. Students, let's learn direct variation. If x and y are two quantities such that x upon y is equal to constant, then there is direct variation between x and y. There is a direct variation between two quantities x and y. This statement can be written as x directly proportional to y. Using mathematical symbol, x is directly proportional to y is written in the form of an equation as x is equal to ky, where k is a constant of variation. X is equal to ky is the equation of direct variation. Students, now observe how the following statements are written using the symbol of variation. Question: write the following statements using the symbol of variation. First example: circumference C of a circle is directly proportional to its radius r. It is written symbolically as C is directly proportional to r. Second example: pressure of a liquid varies directly as the depth of the liquid. So, P is directly proportional to D. Third example: area of a circle is directly proportional to the square of its radius. Here, area of a circle is A, radius as r, so A is directly proportional to the square of its radius. So, in this way, we can write symbolic representation of direct variation. Let's see example of direct variation. First example: if m is directly proportional to n and when m is equal to 154 and n is equal to 7, find the value of m when n is equal to 40. So, what is given? M is directly proportional to n. Therefore, m is equal to kn, where k is a constant. When m is equal to 154, n is equal to 7, then what is formula? M is equal to kn. Now, substitute the value. 154 is equal to k multiplied by 7. Therefore, k is equal to 154 divided by 7. So, k is equal to 22. That is the constant of variation. Now, we have given n is equal to 14. So, substitute in above equation. M is equal to 22 multiplied by value of n, that is 14. So, m is equal to 308. When n is equal to 14, the value of m is 308. Let's study second example. If n varies directly as m, complete the following table. Students, observe the given table. Here, what is given? N varies directly as m. Therefore, n is equal to km, where k is a constant. When n is equal to 12, m is equal to 3. Therefore, 12 is equal to k multiplied by 3. So, k is equal to 12 upon 3. K is equal to 4. That is the constant of variation. Now, n is equal to km. So, substitute the value of k as 4. So, n is equal to 4m is the equation of variation. Once you got the value of k, you can find out the value of m or n. First, when m is equal to 6.5, substitute the value of m and k. N is equal to 4 into 6.5, that is n is equal to 26. Second, when n is equal to 28, n is equal to 4m, substitute the value of n, that is 28, is equal to 4 multiplied by m. We have to find out the value of m. Therefore, m is equal to 28 upon 4. N is equal to 7. Third, when m is equal to 1.25, find out the value of n. Therefore, n is equal to 4 multiplied by 1.25. So, n is equal to 5. Now, see the above table. Value of m is 6.5. Then, value of n, that is 26. Value of n, that is 28. So, the value of m, that is 7. Lastly, value of m as 1.25. Value of n as 5. Let's see third example. The total remuneration paid to laborers employed to harvest soybean is in direct variation with the number of laborers. If the remuneration of 4 laborers is ₹1,000, find the remuneration of 70 laborers. First, consider the remuneration B R and the number of laborers B N. So, here there is a direct variation between remuneration and laborers. So, R is equal to Kn. K is a constant. Value of laborers as 4 and value of remuneration, that is R, that is equal to 1000. Therefore, R is equal to Kn. Now, substitute the value given. R is equal to 1000 and N is equal to 4. Therefore, K is equal to 1000 divided by 4. K is equal to 250 is the constant of variation. Now, you have given the value of N, that is 17. So, substitute the values in the above equation. R is equal to Kn. R is equal to value of K, that is 215, and value of N, that is 17. So, R is equal to 215 multiplied by 17. So, R is equal to 4250. The remuneration of 17 laborers is ₹4250. Students, I hope you understood all the earlier examples that we have studied in this video. You can solve examples from practice set 7.1 as your homework.